I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do.
Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you guys liked last weekend's video, and today I'm bringing you guys 4 different hair tutorials under 5 minutes each. So let's just hop right into the video.
So the first step of this hair tutorial is to grab a section up on the top and do a ponytail. Then you're going to split the hair into 3 sections and start braiding all the way down and tie it with a hair tie. Then you want to take the braid and start fluffing it out by pulling every single strand so it can give it a little bit more volume to it and look much nicer, and you are all done.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape.
This is probably one of the easiest hairstyles I've done. So you're going to pull back 2 pieces of hair and then you are just going to make a knot with them and then place bobby pins to secure it in place. Once you have secured your hair in place, you are all done.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape.
This hairstyle is probably one of the most challenging of them 4. So you're going to split your hair in half. Then you are going to make one ponytail on one side. And once you're done with that, you're going to make another ponytail on the other side. So once you're done with both ponytails, you want to make sure they're even. Then you're going to take one of the ponytails and start braiding all the way down. Since my hair was curly, I knew the braid wasn't gonna come undone if I didn't use a hair tie. But if your hair is straight, I would recommend you using a hair tie. Once you are done with the first one, you want to do the second one. So you want to take one of the braids and start twisting it and just hold on to it and start twisting the next one. Then you want to secure it with some bobby pins and then fluff the braid up so it can have a little bit more volume and it can look really pretty, and then start doing more bobby pins so it can be secured, and you are pretty much all done.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape.
So for this hairstyle, you are going to take a section where your bangs would be, or just pick a side, and you are going to start French braiding, but make sure you leave some hair in the front as you'll see in the moment. So I left some hair at the very bottom. Just don't braid all the way down for this one so it can look a little bit better. And once you're done braiding, you're just going to secure it and then fluff it out with your fingers by pulling it and making it fluffier. So once you do that, you want to make sure your hair is nice and you are all done.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be yours.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And also leave a comment down below of what video you want to see me do next. And I'll see you guys next time for another Sunday video. Bye.